friends and family, it is an absolute treasure and honor to be gathered on this day with these people in this beautiful weather.
Adam, I can't believe this day is finally here. I've prayed about this moment from the first time that I saw you, and the Lord's faithfulness has been so evident in our relationship.
Staring at this hole in the sky, see, I keep wasting my time wondering.
Dear Faith, hello, my love. I can't believe we are finally here. We have been counting down the days to this moment, and I couldn't be happier that we have arrived.
In the dreams we dared to dream when we
I can walk boldly and confidently into our marriage. I can't, because I know the creator of the heavens and earth is writing our story. I'm so glad that he chose you for me.
Sums of our decisions, the fruit of our
You are incredible. You are a clear reflection of Jesus. I see him in your love, and I see him in your kindness, and how you treat those around you.
I can't wait to walk hand in hand through all of the seasons that life will bring. The Lord will guide us and show us the way.
Lately these days I can't help but getting this feeling I am sinking, and the ground beneath my feet is
I see
starting.
him in your humor and your joy. I see him in your honesty and your care for those around you.
But I don't know how. My thoughts are made of doubt. In the silence
I pray that we always seek the Father in his understanding. I pray that we honor each other in our marriage. I pray that we walk in confidence, knowing that we're heirs of the kingdom of grace.
You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. Your smile brings joy to everyone around you, and you light up every room that you enter. You are the best friend anyone could ask for, and I can't wait to experience life with you.
I pray to always seek after the Lord with you and push you closer to him, for he is far greater than anything this world can offer.
Leaving come morning. I said I'm leaving come morning. I'll be gone.
My love, my darling, and my best friend, I love you more than I could ever put in words.
Sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it. Took my tongue and
Journey with you, what a blessed life it will be. I can't see through my tears.
Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see.
I pray that every day we make the Lord the center of our marriage. I pray that we choose to treat each other the way Jesus treated us first.
I love you more than you could ever imagine. I'm so lucky I get to love you forever. Until we're old and gray. I praise the Lord for you, Adam Clapper. You seriously rock.
Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a days? Come take my hand.
Today we start the adventure of marriage. Thank you for coming on this adventure, and I can't wait to set sail. I love you.
Adam and Faith, by the power invested in me by the state of Pennsylvania, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Adam, you may kiss your bride. Mr. and Mrs. Adam and Faith Clapper!
Shining on me, no doubt about it. The night is mine. See, cutting up a rug, there's a groove I found. I make you rock like you cannot believe. Talk about a party. Now let's get crazy.
Faith has been the perfect addition into Adam's life. She's smart, funny, athletic.
More athletic than Adam even.
And she's definitely someone you wouldn't mind being stuck in a car with for 8 hours driving down to the Outer Banks. Adam, I am truly so blown away by the person the Lord has created you to be. And I love getting a front seat into watching you become more of that person every day.
Anyone who knows Faith and anyone who has spent time around her knows that she is such a light. She has a radiant energy that she brings to any situation or conversation. I am so glad that she found someone as pure-hearted and kind as she is. There are some people in your life who, no matter what, you manage to create beautiful and memorable moments together.
Raise a glass to Adam and Faith. We love you guys, and here's to a lifetime of cleaning toilets together.
Cheers.